My name is Sushil Jain. Today we are discuss Microsoft Word. What is the Word? So we type reports and homework on computer, but do you know which software help us in doing that? That is Microsoft Word. So here in this video we will learn all the details used for operating MS Word. So let's start. Okay. So Microsoft Word is a word processor. Okay, and a word processor is a program which enable us to work with the text. Some of the word processing program are MS Word, MS Star, Window Writes, etc. Okay, what can you do with the word processing? And you can type text, you can check and correct the spelling mistakes, you can change size of the text, and you can change font of the text. So you can edit the text. Okay, how we will start MS Word? So take your cursor on the start button. So once you go into the start button and you find out the MS Office, or this is the all apps. Okay, and you find here MS Office. This is the Get Office. Okay, and here is the Microsoft Office. You see here Microsoft Office, and if you see here, this is the Word. Okay, so once we have click on the Word, it's Word open. So this is Word open. Take mouse pointer to the start icon on the taskbar and click on it. A start menu will appear. Click on the program of start in the menu and click on the MS Office. And now we have selected the blank page. Okay, so we have select blank page here, and here is a on the top, here is the toolbar. This is the toolbar. If you see here, this is the toolbar. So these all options available here. Once you open MS Word, the following screen will appear. This type screen will appear on your computer, and this is the your text area. This is your text area. You see, this is the text area. Okay, and if you see, this is your task view state, and this is your all the tasks. This is all your tasks. Okay, so component of point of windows. Backstage view give you the various options for saving options, opening and file, printing, sharing your documents. It's similar to the Office button menu in the Word of the 2007 or previous versions. Okay, and the quick version, you type just here the MS Word. So this is the shortcut, and you open from here. You click the double click here and you're open. Okay, and this is your cursor. This is your as you see the mouse. So this is the cursor where you start from the anything. Okay, create a new documents. If you want to new documents, then go into here, and this is the new documents. So it's appear again is new. So if you see here is the two window. One window is saying text here, and another window is blank. Okay, so this is the new window. And if you write something, then you just type here your name or anything. My name is, if you see here, my name is so and so. I study in class 3rd. Okay, my roll number is 39 or 40. Anything you 1 2. And here is the one main things, how to correct mistake in this text. If in order to make correction in the about documents, when you type any wrong thing, like your roll number is 40 and you type 39 instead of 40, so follow the given steps. Bring the cursor, you cursor here, and going the backspace. So this is the backspace. Keyboard, just a moment. Keyboard, this is the, I show you the keyboard. So this is your keyboard. Okay, so once you type here, and this is your options. Okay, so this is your 40. If you do 40, so my name is 40, roll number is 40. This is already we have discussed. Control Alt Fin, these all are the details. So one more thing, if you, here is the options. If you want to, this is the bold, then you select and going to here, then you, this is the bold, this is now is bold. And if you want to increase or decrease your size, then you increase your size 26, 39, 36, so you increase your size. And if you want to change your font, then you go to here and change your any which you want. Okay, so this is your font here. And if you want to insert anything in this, I'm going to decrease here, this is 11 or 9. Okay, 11. And if you want to if you want to put in this, then you go to the insert button, and here you see the many options in this toolbar. So if you want to create a table, then you go to the here, and which table you have inserted, you go to the insert table. So this is in the table type. And if you want to go here and so your insert in chart type, you show the here the chart. So this is column wise is chart. So here so the chart type. Just a moment. So this is the, you see the chart. This is a chart table. Okay, my number is 40, and all showing here the chart. And if you design anything, then you, here is the all the title. If you type something, I just delete this. Okay, select and delete. Okay, and the quick brown fox jumps over little lazy dog. These all are English characters. So this is selected. And if you want to design something, so this is the title type. I'm seeing, just a moment. My name is so. My school name so. Okay, so if you want to design in this, so if you title and here, so this is compare on different size. This is okay. Once you click here, and it's showing different type. You see the different type. Also, if you want to page layout lane, so this is the in the center, this is in front, and if you want to 1 2 3, then select here and 1 2 3. If you want to only dot, then it's showing the dot. And if you want to title, subtitle, and sub to subtitle, then it's showing this type. Decrease and this type. So showing this type. Just design, insert, deselect and select this type. Okay, so showing this type. So you can modify in your own way. This is your left, right, and page side, front. So many options here. This is your right, left, and print out. If you want to print, then you go to the here and print out this. Then he asks you which is the printer of. So this is the preview, and open. Then you open this, many options, and back. So this is your, and if you want to save this, then go into the here and save as, and your computer, you go to the desktop and give is the name of this. Okay, here you go and type, this is my first MS Word. Okay, then you desktop and click on this, and this is saved. Now you close this and you see where is this, and if you go to that on your home page, this is your home page, and if you see where is your, this is my first MS Word. So once you open your, please open your previous page. So this is short description. Thank you so much.